Question number 12. Assume that the hour and minute hands of a clock move without jerking. The clock shows a time between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock. The two hands of the clock are one above the other. After how many minutes, in nearest integer, will the two hands be again lying one above the other? So here there is a clock, it shows time between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock such that the two hands of the clock are one above the other. Then in the first statement it said that the hour and minute hands of a clock move without jerking. That means that both the hands are moving continuously, not in intermittent motion but in smooth motion. Then after how many minutes in nearest integer will the two hands be again laying one above the other? So based on this second and third statement, the clock will be showing a time as in the figure 3 around 8:44. Then after almost 1 hour, between 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock, the both hands will be showing again as in the figure 5. So we have to find how many minutes passed to reach figure 3 to figure 5. So for that we need to understand movement of 5 division of hour hand equal to movement of 60 division of minute hand. So in the figure 1 here, when this minute hand moves by 60 minutes, the hour hand move by 5 division and reaches to 9. So it is 9 o'clock. That is what written here. That means for movement of 1 division of hour hand, minute hands move by 60 divided by 5, 12 division. That means in 12 minutes our hand move by 1 division. So in the figure 2 it is 8:40. That means for the 40 minutes movement of minute hand, the hour hand move by 3.33 division. When it is 44 minute, the hour hand move by 3.67 division. That means both the hand will be one upon the other at 44th minute. So that is what shown in the figure 3. Then from here the minute hand moves by 60 minute and it is reaches again at the 44th minute. By the time the hour hand move by 5 division, so it is 9:44. Then to reach minute hand upon hour hand, the minute hand has to move again by 5 division. So in this 5 division our hand move by, in 12 division our hand move by 1 division. So in the 5 division the our hand move by a fraction of division. So the hour hand will be on the same position. So after 60 plus 5 division of minute hand, the minute hand come upon the hour hand again as in the figure 5. So our answer is option C, 65. If you have any suggestions, please do comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep supporting and loving us. Jai Hind.